Komal and welcome to my kitchen. I have been cooking for about 30 to 31 years. Today I am making ringa bachatan shak, which in Gujarati is eggplant and potatoes. I know in Hindi and Punjabi they call it aloo bengan. This dish is specifically, and you can make it in different methods, and this one I actually make the filling and I do my tempering of all the spices and tomatoes and stuff, and I cook it in the oven. I do it a slightly modern way. So yeah. I first got into cooking by force at the age of 7. Basically my mum, my kaki, which is my aunt, my sister and my gran, who basically coaxed me into the kitchen and got me helping around first. A lot of sous chefing, helping chop, washing the dishes, all the low-level stuff that you do if you're working in a restaurant at age 7. And then a lot of that was kind of expanded from doing all of that kind of stuff to watching mum, kaki, ba, shilabang cook. And just seeing what they're doing. And then I think the first thing that I actually did make was roti. So chapatis was the first thing that my mum taught me how to make. 2 or 3 spices. Okay, cumin is like a must. Definitely garlic and ginger. I know they're not spices, but garlic and ginger can't live without, and onions. Actually, even turmeric. Like hardo, if you look at it from medicinal point of view, like we're so used to putting turmeric in everything, but I'll probably use it quite a lot in Western food as well, like a lot of soups and kind of sometimes whack in pasta as well. I think it's an extra bit of antioxidant that you can add in there. Then why not? Prep first. And clean as you go along is the one thing that I'm instilling in the boys as well. Like whenever we bake or cook together, I'm like, you gotta wash the dishes and stuff as you go along. Like don't pile up, because actually it's the one thing that you don't want to do by the time you have cooked. You don't want to sit there and be cleaning for like half an hour. This way, once you've cooked, you've got a 5-minute wipe down and jobs are good. And if you want to make something, just do it. Don't be kind of disheartened by how complex or easy it is. I think the biggest thing is overcoming. At the end of the day, practice makes perfect, right? The more you cook, the better you get at it. I think with anything, I guess. So yeah, just get in the kitchen. Don't be afraid of cooking. If it doesn't turn out, it doesn't matter. Like, I'm a grown woman and I've had some epic cooking failures. But you just kind of learn from it, and next time you know what to avoid. Don't be scared, just do it.